So today I'm doing my updated Drugstore full coverage base. I wanted to show you guys products I've been loving, and I think they're amazing for getting a flawless drugstore base. Like, it's given high-end, it's given Sephora. I also have a few new products that I wanted to try out from the drugstore, so let's get into the video. Today we're doing a full coverage drugstore makeup look. I actually have some new products as well as some old favorites that I wanted to include in this video. I am going to start with some new products from Maybelline. These are two new brow products, the Express Brow collection, and this one is the brow pencil. It's just called Ultra Pencil, and then this one is called the Brow Fast Sculpt. So it's basically like a brow gel. I really like brow gels for like everyday looks, so I'm excited to try this one. But we're gonna start with the pencil, and this one is in the shade Deep Brown. Okay, this is pretty nice. So the other brow pencil that I use pretty often from the drugstore is from L'Oreal, and I believe it's the Infallible pencil, and I think I like the Infallible better than this one. This one's not bad, it's just if I had to compare the two, I prefer the L'Oreal Infallible. For the sculpting gel, I did get it in the clear color, but I believe it comes in a few different shades. One side has long bristles and the other side has shorter bristles. I guess it's to like lay the product down and then comb it into the shape that you want. I kind of want to try this in one of the brown shades. One of my current favorite primers is this e.l.f. primer. I have been reaching for this primer quite often lately. I really like it. And it just happens to be from e.l.f. So I'm gonna use it. This brow is looking insane. I'm gonna fix it with concealer. Let's put some here. Taking one of my favorite concealers from the drugstore. This is the Maybelline Superstay Concealer. I pretty much love this entire line from Maybelline. The concealer is amazing. Recently I tried the powder, which I will show you guys in today's video as well. The foundation is amazing. I think it's just a really nice line, and it gives really amazing coverage. So if you're going for full coverage, definitely recommend this line. This shade is not super brightening on me, so I will add a brightening concealer as well to just help, you know, brighten a bit. And I am gonna put some around here. Alright, so we're gonna blend this in. This color is actually really nice for days when I want like a no makeup. I can wear this with just a powder and it would look perfect because it's not super brightening on me. It's not like a really light shade, so I can wear a powder with it and then do like a no makeup look. I just love how this blends. Before I add my second layer of concealer, I'm going to use some concealer to just shape my brows a bit and get them together, because one of them is looking like she needs some help. I'm gonna go back in and just reshape a little bit more. I'm just gonna outline the bottom of my brow with the same pencil using the same pencil to just help it keep its shape. Alright, that looks a lot better. So we're gonna do a little bit of color correcting. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. color corrector. I should have done this earlier. Typically you want to do this before you apply concealer, but I completely forgot. And I'm gonna put it like around my mouth and just blend it out. This one is from e.l.f. and you really do not need a lot because a little goes a long way. Next, for my base, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Skin Tint, the True Match, and I have the shade 8.5 to 9.5. I really love this. I think it's amazing. It gives a beautiful coverage and I just love the formula. Alright, we're just going to blend it in. I just added some to my face and I'm going to blend it. If I was using a foundation that was not a skin tint, I would go with the Maybelline Superstay. I think it is an amazing full coverage product. This one's a little more lightweight on the skin, so I wanted to go with this instead, and then I'm going to top it off with a powder to achieve more of that full coverage look. That way it's like a lighter layer of powder and also a lighter layer of foundation. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This one is in the shade Honey, and this is another concealer from the drugstore that I absolutely love. So I'm going to put this under my eyes. Basically wherever I applied concealer earlier. And is that a hair? It sure is. Oh no, not my brow. I'm gonna let it sit for a little longer this time around, and then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. bronzer, and this one is in the shade Sunkissed, and we're gonna apply this to my cheeks to just help define. This is such a beautiful product. I love the e.l.f. putty line. I think the putty products are really good. I'm gonna start blending. This concealer for sure also gives high end. Like, it seems like a concealer you would find at Sephora, you know. Like, if somebody gave me this concealer and it was like not labeled and they told me to guess where it was from, I would think it was from Sephora. It's so good. It's really good. I'm also going to take some to my eyelid. And I'm going to take the Infallible powder to start setting. Next, we're gonna use the Stay Active Super Stay powder from Maybelline, and just put this all over. This is in the shade 355. I'm going over I'm also going over the bronzer with it to just help blend everything together. This is a super full coverage powder. Like, I definitely recommend using a brush with it because a sponge is just gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. Unless you're going for that look, then yeah, but I think a brush just helps you control these types of powders a little bit better. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid. We're gonna do a little blush, and then I'm gonna go into some eye makeup and also lashes. I'm excited to show you guys some lashes that I've been really loving. These lashes are so good. I've been obsessed. Since I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I'm gonna add a little bit of the blush in my eyelid, to my eyelid, so that way I can have a little bit of color. I did have some silver sparkles on my brush. I picked up the new Maybelline Surreal Falsies mascara, so I'm gonna try it. Love the packaging. I got the shade Blackest Black in this mascara. This is what the wand looks like. Okay, this looks really, really good. Wow. I'm literally like, whoa. Okay. So while that's drying, I'm gonna line my lips with the Lip Bar lip liner. This one is in the shade Straight Livin'. I'm gonna take my finger and smudge it out. Alright, so I'm gonna dust the powder off my nose real quick. So I found the NYX Butter Gloss in a clear color. What? Is this new? I think it is. So I'm gonna try it. We all love the butter gloss, so let's see. I think it looks amazing. Wow. I think it looks really good. I never thought of the butter gloss in clear, but this looks amazing. So I'm gonna throw on these lashes that I've been loving. This lash, like, do you see the difference? Changed the game for me. Like, this Drugstore lash, girl. I love finding lash strips that look like lash extensions. It's giving lash extensions, like, I love it. These are the lashes. They are the Kiss Muses collection in the style Noblesse. I cut off the end to make mine a little shorter, but this is the style that I use and they're amazing. I'm gonna add some mascara down here. Are you kidding? So this is my updated Drugstore full coverage base. Hope you enjoyed this video and got to see some products that you can try out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.